Prayers before teachings. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, a state of refuge until enlightenment is reached. Through listening to the Dharma and other perfections, creating Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, a state of refuge until enlightenment is reached. Through this of listening to the Dharma and other perfections, creating Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, a state of refuge until enlightenment is reached. Through this listening to the Dharma and other perfections, creating Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. Prostrating, offering, confessing, rejoicing, request to turn the real Dharma, request not to manifest Nirvana, a dedicated merit that's created to all sentient beings. This God is not the perfume, straight flowers, balm, mirror, four continents, sun and moon. Visualizing as a Buddha figure, first that all beings may enjoy this pure right. Idam Guru Rana Manda Kala I request to exalt the venerable Gurus with gathered clouds of wisdom and compassion in the space of Dhammakaya, in accordance with the needs of the few of the disciples, let the rain of vast and profound Dhamma thereby fall. He offered to Shila.
Yes. Sanjay Jala Soji Janala, Janjo Bala, Dani Janjo, Dagi Chichi, Sona. Ala Vesha Sanjay Dovajo, Sanjay Jana, Soji Jana, Janjo Bala, Dani Janjo, Dagi Chichi, Sona. Ala Vesha Sanjay Dovajo, Sanjay Jana, Soji Jana, Janjo Bala, Dani Janjo, Dagi Chichi, Sona. Ala Vesha Sanjay Dovajo. Da ye long ye song long che du song ke so che re che men re song wa ke song che bi so che le ye la ne la ma ye dang ke jo song nang be de yang ke ge ne da la xin che lo e dang go ro la na me re la ni ya da ya me Namala ye ke da la dan ye ke ya chu ba na na me ye ke na dang ro wa ke je da na che dang ba dang je ke do da确定多年年节送多久了？这现在刚才等的，上那边嘛，顶子叫做老少完的，现在人都说，我老说他等到我让做，台湾进去吧，就创业没了，什么叫浪巴的，他过去吧，今年等着等些比较多，等呢，这个浪巴中国吧，今年全部接触印度给宁波当去，接头对吧？小布送进老是浪别人把马场完嘛吧，对吧？刚才几参加一个，带来当包啊那种的上几节菜也把炖这边，啷个人把茶厂啊炖边个，你用个就不打包，他，你就真江边样个大面啊，他想出浪去是把是吧？他得的，得打包，他前年几笔个国考上完的。다 나라서 겨와 하정 그 정부 인바 수수 경연했다 어다 된데 전교디 기정보지 대답이 이게 담비 취인데요 아니지 내발라 아니 천대 장그 도교게 저도 많이 봐저 상제지 고보름 뭐지 토비체도 아니 취사 문제 내바 샤워 넘비게 경로 상보 상수기 생 조마 추제 세도비 거는 선바쇼 선바셔이다 상초랑 랑리게다 추게 창대 가르레서 나 샤부충 예다 추고 델레야 되니 된죠 내가 저하면 다봐 어다 대서 나네 딱 건데 렌제 잡아지 다 렌제 델레야 다 되니 메게 초방 그 수팅 대서 마히네 다 메게 추 초방 그 수팅 다 메게 추 이게 어 해 차네 다 메게 추 제바이나 다 제차송 바이나 다델 가르쳐 그래서 요데 다 메게 추 다 레사 차바이나 다 텔레야니 샤동치아마도 예 체칸하요 말에서 다 샤동치 그래서 다 샤동 제바이나 니 샤동 간지 제거래서 요데 아니 냠보 도기 창요거니 샤동 제거래서 다 냠보 샤동 냠보 도기 창요거니 샤동 제바이나 아니 데바 다 투그를 투고 말에서 다 냠보 도기 거니 샤동 단 양니야도 삐다보 해 장마 제바이나 아니 데바 다 투와 다 데바 다투어 잠마지 데파노그 치휴 아니 데파 참면이나야 다투와 다데 데파 참면라서 버텨서 다투비기 선텔이야 데파 하천 참고그 사케 데니 gelung sutin jengeni me guja guchu kogu sena yang tsende tachu be kogo totowa 배 강제를 전바이나 지수 melare 아니 매 손주 소나세 아니 세라파네 바 소차 몸버시고 지세 샤시오 라소바 왔다 덴르세 요르테요 아니 시소 최 나래 두바 나래 제네 되니 다 바르로그르 다 첸데레 조금 우주 토투바 다 덴르게 베체 몸부숑 요레스 다 덴르 손상다 샤당 야부 제바이나 데바 타발레 태송 요마레스 되지. 어떤 동산도 바다 이잔도 바라 소바다 되는 뭐 여러분들. 단도 되는 저 하지게 디바체 여바는 디바텔에 저센지고. 디바텔에야 저센테 저세 중주만이 봐. 두 콘도 송았다 비긴 저센 슈첨보지. 다 대답이 디바체마 되게 디바텔에 저센 집이 돈에 되니 디바테 답이 기체도 뭐지 강바 디 돌레네 도지 생비 공대 단지 돈 이잔던 바 아니 동산던 바라서 어다 계종 넘버 답아 제바 있는 아 데바타 도 된데 다 된데 이제 다 가면 라우리 재미게 치기 창텔래야 되니 가르송여서는 대바 샤동치나 다 투르데 아니 대바 자와네 매바게 다 샤동치나 다 투고 요래데 대바 마 천에 담번에 마사다 대바 산에 대바 자와네 바 다와니데 체바 가르 요래서나 어따 디피겐 제보 두헤데 매바든 라기레스 대바 천 마사난 제보 두헤 좋아 요 말에라 대바 샤동 취게도 제와나 디핀 제보 두헤 좋아 요 말에데 양 체바 지데 양지 챈들이야 사당랑게 뽕 수수주 도바셔와라 쳐봐요레스 대파천에 사매바이나 사당랑게 짐바든 조바에 셰용고레스 대파 사차바이나 대파겐 제부터 다 차례데 양 대기 지 닝 잡을때야 아니 라온 때서 시송 된리 인상 담번이 디파데 소소레야 마겨 대파 마사디 기침을 해송을 대소자 대시르스 파바나 속에서 디도 참말라와 희게도 먼저 송데스 된지 인상 안에 파바 니트 파바다 장제 파바다 상세 파바 대수 랑고 소를 투송바 이나야 아니 디파 참모 디도 참모 이나야 아니 소소히 하 거기도 아니 전체기 말해서 먼저 송데스 어때래 샤페 다바다 담분이 데바 마사바니데 체바 매바이나 텐르게 소르바네 데바 참무자에 마사 제고 문도 와서 샤는 진도 와서 이나 체바 요 인상 담분이 데바 마교바다 샤니 데바 잔 다바니 체바 요 인상 담분이 데바 마교하데 기 전부 농거 전부 지요래서 어때 다 샤면 규비시로 제때나야 한테스 강라서 해봐 시주소 요장 담번에 만에 봤다 먼저와 있노스 배치바 있는 알아서 방바 라발이야 담번에 마마조하다 마조네 다 해줘 야부 제네지 야부 자소와 대다 되니 담번에 마매바니데 가르사 담번에 마레매바 있는 대야기 놓아서 배때도 저바래서 대다 매베스 총래스 대답이 샤다 야부 제바 있는 총래 대파시게 소나 마젤라 추다 교희 취미 토비메 디빌레치 체인지 주데 추천나도 중에 희바이 소나시게 대파 마젤라 다마나죠 루지 최셰베 되는 나의 체인지 데비 주의 파른 로와 인스 예송비 하마다 메자 셔마다 진주 샤오송 다때 가르송요서나 다 대파시 대파몽보사 다 소나 마젤라서 개와천에 무주 대파사 대파마이 개와천에 무주아체 추도 교신세 추리야 개와천에 추미제체 추 마인바 대파다 아니 디피기 샤와탄 자와천온체 된르게 메트 디첸세 차데 대파체 디첸 디피기 레첸게 강사 계세 된다데 체인지 주데스 다 시왕 하시 켈랭게 어다 된르 임바는 시와래야 짜용고요래서 어다데 간저 짜요서 빼나 추천나도 중요 희바 인세 추천부 진노야 주다 주 터쳐 저는 저데마 총란조 Go now it is. True the Tolan Joy, true then the Durkin methods of Trasha Yora. But then I get the Bachamba can get methods of Niche Kamalia and not trying with it. So now she Dipa Majela Sendele Chu Gawadu Depa Masake Kansa Telea Tamba Nochi Luchi Chushe as a coro Samba Naba Tabito the Chu Duken Telea Shebe then now a change me then they Kazate and Shivalea Tabayo Mares Tangazo Chu Namba Tabacheva in the Chu Jamachi with the Tabayo Mare. Ah, that Chu Namba Tabahajango Shu Chamber Chicken, Chivala Gas, Shivala Gas. Pelena Hama Londe Lama Rinpoche, Tanga Shoki Ni Gelung Rinpoche, Gonda, and then Haige Lu Chadigres, or Tenderson Luture. Shoki ko Migapo Gelung Chire, the Gondaba, and then Tapi Hini Yashin, Haige number, or the Chagres. Then the Gayur. Tano Yin Shabutama Mombuchilia, Gomba Zokalea, and then Tapi Hawa. Pelena gashi gade yoga chunzili shewa, kashi dewa chendu shewa, ane kashi jitsu doji nenjo mi shinkang, ta tanda ki ngaran zong ha ne ha ge ta nenjo ma, jitsu doji nenjo mi ge shezo teso gang ne, ane depa shu chenpo yoba ina, tse ndele ya zupun de meba macha ache ne, ta rang jalu tu ne ya tapi kasho ranjo ilo ju mobu doa, o ta tenron ro tuwa. Tapa Kasholea, Lu Mapamba Kashoton Drukengimo, Shumer. Oh, there, that didn't draw to war. That's a guy you draw in the rower. Oh, there, then in region, my Padonole, Dromagachin, Tapa Kasholendo. Oh, then it didn't get Tayin and Drokemo, Bear Moboyer. Oh, there. Oh, that's a guy, seller, John Honchi, Gan Honchi, seller Shibun or child. That's all my Chuban drink the Mitsawas. Hiwala Mata, Manjua, Jobaman, oh, Tanga Hiala, Tabames, Jibames, and Jobames, Tanga Sendelia, Maranzo. Quand tu chitu 2 years, Depa music sames, Depan Haji debat Shadan Kanda concern Chets, Tanga Jobames, Choban Rinte, or that Manjua pass or there. That Choba Tamas, that Choyabo Majik, Shikali and Jovashur. That Jobashan and Shitsara. Oh, that tender in Dentison. Then and I change him, then between your parent royals. Trozombo, Troyapo, Chilla, Durba, and then Chopa, Pakalpa, Sambalo, Children, Rotor, Petino, here's on be Hamata Majawas, to Nyamban and Rokeno Yingi, Deba Chamasana, Shemalia, Chikale, and Jibata. Chibi Guani Hindra Nagi Jazz. Jiba Meba, to Temple de King met Chupacal and Roba Nagi, sure number tapa, June, and in Chikalea, Traba maybe told and Rokin no Jesho Ozor. Oh, that did it. Oh, that diva the Juna.
That's okay, so. So Kishla just initiated his classes. So he said that so the human beings, we are having the human beings of the we are receiving the birth of the leisure and fortune. When we are talking about the leisure and fortune, we are saying of eight leisure and the 10 fortunate. So we are blessed with the leisure and fortunate human beings. So we have opportunity to do a practice of the dharma. So when we are seeing this, they are like Buddha Shakyamuni have given that to remove all the negative affliction. He have given a teaching of 84,000 teaching, and in this 84,000 teaching, the where this when you are the concept of the like three different person, the person of the small this person of the part to the greater scope, small middle scope and smaller scope, which we have to practice so so that the individual person can able to attain the enlightenment. So the Buddha, through his 84,000 teaching, he have shown us all the paths to the all the full. He has shown the paths to the enlightenment through his teaching. So we are totally blessed for such a teaching, and then also the these teachings through the through the lineage from the Manjushri, we are able. The Lama Tsongkhapa has given us those teachings through these through the three scope of the humans, the three scope of the people. Through this, he have given this teaching. So this teaching, when you are the part this teaching, which is a part to the enlightenment, the part to the Lamin, the part to the enlightenment. So when you are doing this practice, it is not only for your for your own present life, or for your materialistic life, for having food, or for just receiving a food or money, or not for those things, or not for the materialistic life, but you have to practice, or you have to do all these things for the enlightenment, or the benefit of all the sentient beings, so the happiness of all the sentient beings, or benefit of all the sentient beings. So when the current session, the Kishla has given teaching on among the three scopes of the people. Among the three scopes, he is currently going in the smaller scope. The part of the person of the smaller scope, he is giving teaching. He is giving his classes. So in here, they are in this part of the smaller scope, we are right now under the topic of the karmas and its result, the karma and its result. So where the karma and its result, when Krishna is mentioning, he has already given the classes on about the virtues and 10 non-virtuous karma. So when you are talking about 10 non-virtuous karma, he is giving a detail about what are the 10 non-virtuous karma and what are its result, how it causes the result. So the person who are doing practices, who wants to attain enlightenment, or who wants to serve for the benefit of all sentient beings, so he can able to remove his 10 non-virtuous deeds. He can able to remove all the 10 non-virtuous deeds through the 4 powers. So when it was taking about the he can purify it, or he can remove or purify all the non-virtuous deeds he have performed is through the 4 powers. So the 4 powers, Kishila has mentioned 4 powers about the power of eradication, the power applying remedies, the power turning away from fault, and the power of foundation, which the classes was already given about these 4 powers. So these 4 powers able to help an individual to remove or purify all his misdeeds or non-virtuous deeds. So in the last class, Kishila had given an example regarding. Oh, okay. So it is also said that in the last class, Kishila has give a class that even through these 4 powers, even a heinous act or heinous non-virtuous deeds can be purified. It is not that no, it cannot be purified. It can be, even one individual perform a very heinous non-virtuous action, it can be purified. So in the last class, he gave examples regarding the example of Unglimal. When Unglimal has already killed 99 humans, and he was about to kill the 101, that time he met the Buddha, and he purified all his sins or misdeeds and non-virtuous deeds. So that helped him to able to attain for the he able to purify his non-virtuous state. And also in Tibet, there's a story regarding the Milarepa. Jesus Milarepa, before he properly continue practice for the benefit of all scientific. Before that, he had learned about some magical powers, and he killed around 35 people, 35 humans, and also through his hailstorm, he performed hailstorm to the village, and that kills many of the sentient beings, not only the humans, the sentient beings. So Jesus Milarepa also performed these things, and even he has does such a heinous act, or he does such a non-virtuous act, and after that he feel regretted of what he did, and he made a confession, and he purified it, so that which helped him to purified all his non-virtuous deed which he had which he had done earlier. So this show that even through the 4 powers, one individual can remove even his heinous act, or even the most heinous act he had performed in his life. So this show the powers of the importance of the 4 power. So when you are talking about the 4 powers, Kishla, when an individual is talking about 4 powers, so 4 powers can be performed through the four paths: the eradication, applying remedies, turning away from fault, and the foundation. So through this, it will purify if you practice these things, and then it will purify all your mistakes. And and also that and also this can be done through the confession, through the reciting the prayers to confession to the Buddha, the 35 confession, confession to 35 Buddhas, or reciting the 100 syllables mantra. So you can, through this recitation, all this, you can able to purify it. So the main concept, main thing about regarding the four powers is one need to feel the regret, and he has to confess that the confession is very important. Whenever confession and feeling of regret of what he had done in his misdeed or non-virtuous action he has done is a very essential thing. When you are talking about four powers, it is very essential thing, and there's a commitment of not doing it. It's such a heinous act in the future. There's one individual has to make a commitment that he will not do such a heinous action in the future, and he will do benefit for the he will perform the benefit for all the sentiments, which is important. So in here that the thing is, in the last class Geshe-la given that even the four powers, the person perform a heinous actions, and then he purified it through four powers, and there are some individual who have never performed and never done any heinous actions. And what are the difference of these two people? Even though the person who who had done a heinous action and his dismissed non-virtuous actions, the result could not able to write because of the purification. But still, what is the difference between the person who have never performed any action like non-virtuous deed, and the person who performed the non-virtuous deeds or heinous action and he purified it? What are the difference? So when you are talking about the difference, the Geshe-la said, even though the both of the individual, these two people will not have to face, will not have does not have to face the consequences of suffering, consequences of the non-virtuous deeds. So they don't have to feel they don't have to go under the suffering, because they have all, the one has already purified, and another individual have never did such a non-virtuous action, so they don't have to go under the result of those non-virtuous actions, so they don't have to face any suffering. However, the person who have never performed any non-virtuous deeds, for him in this particular life, it is more easier for him to attain the paths, or it is easier for him to attain the 10 paths or the 5 paths. It is more easier for him to attain it as compared to the person who performed the non-virtuous deed and it is purified. As compared to the person who have never performed any non-virtuous deeds, it's more easier for him to practice the 5 paths to the enlightenment, and it's more easier for him as compared to the other person who have purified his non-virtuous deed. So why is it? Is due to the basis of suffering, because even though the person who has purified his misdeed, non-virtuous action through the 4 powers, still there's a chances of there's a some minimum, there's a little chances of, there's a chances of having a basis of the suffering. So we call it ningele. So there's a chances of the basis of the suffering. That's why the person who have already purified it, still it is more difficult for him as compared to the person who have never done any mistakes. So there's the difference. So in the last class, Kishla, just in the last, however, see, you have in this therefore the complete purification means that completely purify yourself from arising unpleasant effects. However, since you greatly extend the time needed to attain such things as knowledge of the path, or strive not to tarnish by the fall from the start. So here it is shown that, however, the person who have purified his non-virtuous state has it takes more time for him or her to attain the paths towards the enlightenment as compared to who have never done any non-virtuous state. So this Geshe-la has mentioned. And also when you are okay okay, so okay, so when you are talking about the confession and this confession and all this, so one can do the confession and then confession or recreated it, and then they can recite the 100 mantra syllables of Vajrasattva. But when you are recitation, so one can do it recitations, and then one can also make done the prayers towards the 35 Buddhas, and then recitation of the mantras of Vajrasattva, which is an important part, so which you can individually individual can do to purify his sins. So, so now the section is the Buddha said that for this reason noble beings do not consciously engage in even the subtlest of sin or infraction, even for the sake of their own life. So this shows that even the Buddha have already mentioned that because it is very difficult for one individual to attain, it is more difficult for individual to go to the path towards enlightenment if he have done any certain non-virtuous action, even after it's purified, even he purified it. So it is more difficult for him. That's why the Buddha say like noble beings do not consciously engage even the subtlest of sin or infraction, even for the sake of their own land, because they know it's difficult to go to it will face more difficult for them to go to the path to enlightenment. If it was the case that purified through confession was similar to the fault that never taken place, then there would be no need to act in this way. So, however, if there's similarities, then there's no need. But there's no similarities, so that one it's better one not to perform any mistake. And there's also evident in the world, although an injured hand, foot, and so may heal. The difference of one who never had an injury. So the example here given is that Gishla has mentioned that there are people who are injured, whose hand or foot or any body part got injured, and even it is healed. What the difference between person who had never faced injury is there are like certainly there are differences. The person who whose hand and foot may heal, maybe there's a possibility that they may future have to suffer again, or there may be marks are there. But the person who never have injured his foot or hand or any body part, there are differences between person who was injured or healed and the person who never injured. So with this example, we see that even the person who never performed any misdeed and the person who performed misdeed and purified, there are differences. Such as the person who has injured his hand or foot, and even it is healed, and the person who never injured his hand and foot. So we can see there are differences. So this is an example it is shown. So it is so that through the striving in that way, you should do as a collection of indicated verses say that a person of sinful conduct who has committed sins and not gained merit, who has passed for the teachings and attained its opposite, will fear that like a weak boat breaking apart in a river, breaking apart in a great river. So it is mentioned that a person who has performed non-virtuous deed and performed sin and who never who doesn't purified it, or who doesn't purify it or four powers, and who doesn't gain any merit. So when he was at the he was at the breach of the at the age of his dying, or at the age when he has to pass away, that person will feel fear, and he's like he will feel fear of dying or getting dead. So it is similar example of weak boat. When a weak boat, when it goes in the river, there's a fear of the boat may break up. So the break or something, the person may sink in that boat, because the boat is not in a good quality. Such like this, if a person never perform any good deeds, then he has committed sins, then he feel a fear of the getting died. And opposite to this, that a person who has gained merit, has not committed sin, and who has practiced the teaching of Holy One system will never fear death, like a sturdy boat going on across a river. So opposite to that, a person who has gained always did a dharma practice and never commit any sinful act, and who prefer to do practices than doing any non-virtuous deeds, so and listen and practice and teach teachings of the holy ones, so that such person will never fear of death. For example, if there's a good boat in a river, the person will not fear of getting sink. So this is the example. So here Gishna has mentioned that, so if a one person practice his dharma very well, and he practice his dharma very well, so that person will never feel fear of dying, because he know that this life he is able to accumulate that much merits that he can, in next life there's no fear of dying. So so there's a one Gishla is giving example that there's one one monk whose name is Langdo Lama Rinpoche. Langdo Lama Rinpoche, he was a monk. So he mentioned that at the morning I'm a fully novice monk, and at the evening at night I was born in a pure land. Pure land. I was born as a god of the pure land. So when if you practice very well, then you can able to go born in a one can able to born in a pure land. There are different varieties of pure land, such as the pure land of Vajra Yogini, pure land of Kandin pure land, and there's Amitabha pure land. So there are different varieties of pure land. So if you practice your dharma very well, then you can able to attain your towards you will reach at the pure land. So some people they reach at the pure land without dying. So they are like through their rainbow body they can able to attain without they can able to through their rainbow body they will they attain or they go to the pure land. So some people doesn't have to go through the intermediate when you are born to some people when they born at the pure land they doesn't have to go to the intermediate section when because normal like a human being like us if you want to take rebirth we have to like after dying we have to take intermediate body, then after that we will take a rebirth new birth. So but some people when they are taking birth in the pure land they doesn't have to they doesn't have to go by the intermediate body or they doesn't have to take birth in the intermediate. So but this pure land can be able to attend when a practice when an individual practice merits in a practice dharma in a very proper way. And this is not similar to the one person who doesn't perform any thermic activities or who doesn't practice any dharma. So such a person is the person who never perform any dharma is similar to the person who was in a very weak boat. The weak boat may anytime it will collapse in a river and pass away. So such a person who never perform any good virtue state and who never practice dharma, they will always have a fear of dying because they will fear that what will happen next. So they are like they have always have a fear of dying. So it is true that do not act like a person of the first word, but do whatever you can act like a person of second word. So it is giving Lama Tsongkhapa has given that okay. So one has to do have to act like a person of the first does not have to act as a person of first word. First word. The first word shows that a person with a weak boat, a person who never if a person who never practiced the religion well, if a person who never practiced his dharma well, and then he always did some misdeed, then he always have a fear of dying. So this is how it is so like a weak board. So one shouldn't be like this. One shouldn't be like a person with a sinful and who like a on a weak board or something. But a person should be like a second verse. Second verse person who practices dharma very well that he shouldn't be fear of dying. He shouldn't be fear of getting passed away or dying. That Lama Tsongkhapa has mentioned that. Okay, Gila Tsaso.
Yeah. Ati walem direndo. Tada tsindira. Tada tsid kare sotu. Tate. Tata ribi tsi mato mecha pame banjuna. Tate. Te ribi tsi mato mecha sa pame banjuna tenchuna asore. Ta kare songyo yore sena. Ta pele na chwe le ya laozhong da che. Ani che laozhong che ne chwe ya ta che xie. Ta xie ne nanglen che ne ma che bayi na tanda yo ma re so. Ta te songza pele na dacha ki tumbi ki ni pinchen lenjin se che re. Ta tele ya pe mambu chwe mambu xie re se gar. Ta na yin ki ta karse geno lepi kama gya ta pong sine chö songra mambu chi lo yore se ta yore te nalen chene me jene ne sangje chongden de le ya shön chang chang ta ba shön chang chang thong kora le nyi bi ong shön chang chang thong le ta tende chene ne jema ta ne wali shin ri lo ju do tende song chang ta chö xie ba de se ta ki chen bre te xie ba le chang ta here the line to the kitcheries were there. They are repeats mato mecha, pa me panjona, yando chunchu race. 최 농을 메셔자 강해 발론 돌레 주는 되체 최 해야의 뉴뉴지 뉴뉴지 마도 메셔 바리나 해주때 나래지 제바 있나 때년가 뭐말이 단다 뭐말이 예수 되체 총래 게데 리체 마도 해전 밤에마다 대다 시민 줘서 어때 로리게 토네 몸부 해주요나요 해케바이나요 나래 맞아바나 단다요 말이스 배나 슈지 예지 슈다다 대다 겨줄게와 이마스 벨렘바이나 nzita yata ani nzotan zomota pajula saba ta den jelpa tsone ki shuzi yora shuzi te miso yenda ki ani shuzi inde ani nzita yata pajula saba yenda ki chada ke te changa janchi ni sosolo shu ji yo mara o bete na ge ke nalen chone me jana ni hojon che chule ye ju yo ba na de tini pedo yo mars me yenda ki chala tanga cha chiwa spelana me tambuchi ni me shubuchi ki komba nandone de se re shan de ngi re shan de chala re yu re shan de doji pana re tanga cha de chiwa re koram che koyo mara de bejan te gejon mare se kyo ta ba ke de riche nyongo ma je chu ji jesu shwa la jesu chwa la shwa ba da cha ke da te mo ba te da gejon kyo ta ba 다이 최뇽오지 해봐이나 야스 대최 뇽오지 마도 메케나 대 해봐데 다랑 라렌투니 바코로 데파 가제이나 뽕고데 뽕 겨와 두고데 바 주다 바체바이나 최지 제소 최라 쇼바레스 다체케 던 때모 뽕죠 때다 게종게 수 쇼바 넘바 타바레스 때다 게종 겨와 토바이스 경호 바에 라가히 밤에 발란지다 다니 년들 렌데 경호 때서 아니 저래 최도 팀비 샤와레 가 최도 미티비 샤와레야 지파 당압자지 다니 년을 레드데 다자레네 람치게 다 디파체바는 나 년을 로그 전에 때려나 디파체바이나 년을 주사용데 바 출이야 출 사도 춘제마게 담바세라 담바 텐도 요사노 람부첸 로바이나 람첸 zupu디 지고 차바이데 담바 텐마 마마마마마 만주네 테니 야 람첸 야 마타켄 차르도 베테나긴 다치 텐데 차이 냥가 요레스 데파체바이나 텐데 인데 디파데 파네 경우 바이올라카 히스 바이오지 시인진 밤에 발란지다 데파탄치 투바시 데파탄치 투바데 데파탄치 메바소 롱고 조히 로마인스 롱체버저데 조히 로마테서 사나마 사이모도 데나기 데파탄치 메바소 샤담치 어다 데니치 그레스 벨렘바이나 당아로서 민니요바이나 미치데 바 호종 시버치 종신 가병아 희병다 미치데게 메규초마토 희기 말에 메규초데 장가 따다 저요바지 다 메기초데 야포 장가 저네 대장지 마또 메해나야 메기초데 삐따소 벨레나 소체 방거르세데 소체 방다가 차하고라 담보 드라마 예치 마세라거라 다 데스 라요바 나오히기 니마 테리네조 뭐 드라마 예치 탕체레야 젠자체니 지야 메세네 다 수수 소를 봐놔야 메세 되바이나 다때 나네 마마차데 아니 소저바 마진발레 바 로예 준 타마 치조 마치 메게 쪼든 알아서 녀마치리 희겨래 녀마치리 희네 다가 람바 나네 제송바이나 다때 쇼바 남바 다바차데 달로 몽부지 호종체네 종체 카페만 도당 하다 저바야 셔부지 해요나요 나네 메게 쪼파마 티바이나 때 단다 메게 쪼마토 메셰케 피타 나 메게 쪼빵케 어때 쇼바로 차자라 전체 가병아 전에 메기 주방을 두캔데 그럼 가기 해봐 정차네 가해정 가쳐정 맞다 나래 메기 저다 근데 인데 저 나래의 기체를 손으로 어때요 대단한 희진래 기대 토리 타방에게나 야다 따라 공부를 다든지 간사 로바타에 레셔 탄전 넘바 미바 메제디 계속받다 다 희진 사된 고물로 두게 잖아요 다 고물로 두긴 제비 희진래야 걔들 토리 타방에 예나서 타바다 탄제 쳔바다 아니 샤와 자마 사유르데 잠보 미유르데 잠보 야보지 아니 톤데 여나 양다비게 따와래야 공부지에서 어때요 다 양다비 따와서 들은지는 비 양다비 따와서 Jiten be yang tabi tawa te le junre yapo suwa te le jiten be yang tabi tawa lo. Wata jiten be ki yang tabi tawa le junre tsugin to sung kores. Ta le junre tsugin to sung tsu de ma dina meki cho de pa pita pa pong. Meki cho ko lo shi gyawa cho de yapo dhuba yana wata ten dun kore. 타바 양다 따라 공바 다도 간자 로바 따에 레셰차 타제 넘바 비바 메제데스 어히소바 바 렌데 야포 무슨바이나 아니 양다 레칸다 치 신바다 통퀸다 치치 옌 펜토켄 샤완다 두키 제바 이나야 저부 두자지 먼저 요 말했어 그 레전드 노디어 레전드 무슨 말 메제데 헤소바 텐진 조완 조알레 니 Jutan Jebu Chabala, Tsugindo Tawan Denis, Ta Lende Tsugindo, Letan Jebu get Navja, Jujek Navja. Tapa Tancheta, Shebi Tata Jubi, he met on Maroa in BS, Lende Nam, Sumbate, Nata Narazo, get Shuki Himan Rabri, Sune. Ha Hebe Tsunes, Ta Conlea Lende Naja Mombason Swan. 아니 다도 지혜히 제바 히차보 힌데야나 아니 너 템바 내잘 다쇼 소 템바 내자 더지 되니 너 장류 어다 되는 너 템바 내자 보데 카히요 너 장류의 뼈지요 너들 레자바다 어때 뭐보도 아니 도저 잡아다 너가 롱고 주어 linh năng tang是居linh năng tang，他得做多少事？送着这个能给得满意别个，他上去给送着烟能这带呢是，你把手扎了是，居着哇下巴下呢，你就多送我下我是，他等着一个白茶顶上不得做落呢，来准备了呀，三个顶的呀，年轻的呢，来准备了呀，一切，他多都没吧，三个顶的年轻那边拖呢，你来。그래서 어떻게 된도 산난다 nenga 산난다 다 아마 마마들이 있는데 내 주도 소화 샤오 어떻게 봐도 너 어떻게 주의나
Lasso gila lasso. Şimdi göreceğim ne sonuçlar. Yes. So okay, so further there's a little sense in so Kishla just went with the continue with these classes. So it is said that okay, so it is mentioned that if an individual he has practiced his if even he knows about the religion, even he knows about the dharmas, or even he knows about Buddhism, and he never done any practice, then there's no use of it. If a person doesn't do any practice, there's no use of it. So there's a little sense in saying that many reasonable word, but acting in a very unruly way. Even if you know a little, there's a great benefit of practice, and whatever teaching you might know, teaching by casting aside what is wrong and adopting what is right. So even this shows that it's essential of practicing in like even if you don't practice any what you know about the religion or Buddhism, there's no use. So Kishla give an example of two examples. One is Devdutt, when Buddha's cousin Devdutt, even he has listened so many teachings, so he has known so many listened teaching, and he knows so many concepts from Buddhism. Still, he never has done any practice, so it is no use for him. And then another one is Gelong Likpe Karma. So he is a monk. So during even that scholar, even he was there in a Buddha's time. So even he has received so many teachings and teachings from Buddha and listened so many teachings, but still he's even knowing so much teachings and learning, still he saw the fault on the Buddha. He saw that Buddha is not he saw Buddha in a fault way. So he saw the fault on the Buddha. Then that made him later him to born in a that made him to later born in a health. So this show that it is important for importance for that show that it is important to have a want to have a practice in that show that the main concept is here is showing that knowing of religion or knowing of Buddhism is not essential, but the practice of what you know is a essential part. Like one individual has to practice on what is known, like what the religion he knows, one Buddhism he knows, he has the dharma he knows, he has to practice, which is the main essence or essential thing that one has to do. So even a person even a person who knows very little about his dharma, his practice, even he know very little about the Buddhism, and he practice it, what he knows he practices, that is the main essence. Instead of not doing practice and gaining only knowledge, it's not the thing, not that one, not important, but one who is getting one who knows very little and then putting that little in a practice is the main essence, main important thing. So here it is said in the collective verses, the collective indicative verses say that the unruly may speak at length on what is reasonable, yet they do not act accordingly. Like a herds when counting others' livestock, they do not attain the fortune of virtuous practice. So here it is mentioned that person who never do practice, he may speak he may give a speech, or he may speak on a thermos in a very lengthy of what is he may give a teachings on a very lengthy, but the thing is, the reality is he will not, he doesn't know what is he's not practicing what he is saying. The thermos he is teaching, he's not practicing. It is same like it is the same like a shepherd, when a shepherd or herdsman, when they goes to the mountain to graze the animal, those animals doesn't belong to those shepherds are doing just employed by the farmers or someone to tell employed by them and telling giving them a job to graze the farmers animals. So the shepherds, when they go to the mountains with the animals, they count those animals whether they are present or not, but those animals doesn't belong to him, and he's just counting the other people's animal which doesn't belong to him. This is similar to the person who never does a practice and just knowing or just learning religion or dharma, but not doing its actual business. So the thing is showing that he doesn't attain the fortune of his virtuous practice, because he's not practicing it, and he's just knowing, getting knowledge and just saying it, not practicing. So he's not getting the fortune of virtuous practice, such as a shepherd is not getting the those animals. Instead, he's counting the animals of other people. And there's also a similar example Kishore give about the beggars. The beggars normally, if they go to the rich people house, if they meet a rich people, what they do is they count the rich people's gold or diamonds or precious things, even though it doesn't belongs to beggar. They count it, but in reality they won't get those precious items, they won't get it. So this show that even you may speak about dharma, even you speak about religion to or give a teachings regarding this, if you don't do any practice, then you will not get the fruit of the virtuous practice. You will not get a fruit. Instead, you are just saying about only you are just saying about the religion. So Gisela mentioned that even you know a little bit of your whatever, even you know a little bit of dharma, and you are, whatever you are knowing, you practice it. That's the main important thing. So okay. So those who practice the teaching in accordance with their instruction and eradicate attachment, hostility, and ignorance attain the fortune of virtuous practice. And those they may speak a little of what is, though they may speak a little of what is reasonable. So here is a show that even though some people, even they have a like they know very little and they speak very little about dharmas and religion, Buddhism, what is good or what is bad, they speak very little, but they whatever they speak, they're able to practice in this and teachings, they're able to practice it. Then that is the main important thing, and that they can that helps in them to eradicate their attachment, ignorance, or hostility, and also helps them to attain the fortunes of virtuous practice. So the novice monks or any like those who are learning Buddhism or religion, who are learning dharmas, they should always do practice. They should always think about doing practice. And the monks and novice monks, those who are like doing practice, those who are doing practicing of what they are learning, so they always do. They always prefer, or they always likes to do what is a good thing and what is virtuous thing, and which is opposite to those. They doesn't like that. Those monks who are doing virtuous actions, who do their daily practices, they does not like to do non-virtuous things, or they does not harm the other people. Instead, they like whatever which correspond, or which correspond with the dharmas or religion. So Gisela gave an example that when there was a muddy water, when the water is totally muddy, or when the water is muddy, and if elephant walk on that water, due to the muddiness, due to the heavy muddiness, though the elephant body is already a heavy one, so when he walks on that, then he can't able to stand up because of the muddy water. The muddy is also heavy, and his body is also heavy. That elephant couldn't able to stand up and walk on that water, and slowly he will sink on that muddy water. So such as the person who doesn't do the practice, there it will like slowly he will sink, and he couldn't able to couldn't able to enjoy the fortunes. So here it is also shown that though the delighting in conscientious and fearing unruliness, monks pull themselves from the miserable link like an elephant pulling themselves from the mud. So here it is shown that if by through knowing that what is the monks, novice monks, by knowing that whatever they are practicing, when they do a practice, they know that whatever they are learning, they are doing practice through their conscientiousness there, and then they are like those monks, novice monks will themselves will be removed from the miserable life like an elephant pull themselves from the mud. That is an example. And though delighting and in conscientiousness and the fearing unruliness, monks shake off all the sins like a wind shake the leaves of tree. So here it's also shows that if a monk practice what they are learning, then they will remove all their sins, such as like a wind. When wind started to blow on a tree, the tree leaves started to fall away. So such like these monks will also shake off also purified all their sins if they practice what they have learned. So this being so, the proper view of dependent arising and causality of two types of karma is indispensable foundation for the practice of all the vehicles and the aim of all beings. So it is showed that one individual only through his proper view of dependent arising, through the concept of through the concept of the 10 non-virtuous states, through the purification of 10 non-virtuous states, and accepting or practicing the virtuous states, then the person can able to attain the benefit of all the way. So for this such a when the individual carry such a concept, when he has carried like practicing of 10 virtuous state, even the person carrying the practicing of 10 virtuous state and not doing any 10 non-virtuous state, he thinks for the practice, this practice is for the even for okay, so even for the small ants, if we done this for the not practicing, not doing any non-virtuous state to the small ant, or not to kill any of the sentient being, so such a practice will able to help him to benefit for himself and for all the beings. This such a practice is considered a real practice. What is such a practice is doing? He is doing such a practice is a real practice or the true practice. So he like not killing anyone, even a small tiny ant, he will not kill it, and he practice all the 10 virtuous deeds. Such an individual is considered as a true practitioner. So as a okay. So they are like people there for many years. The people who have studied Buddhism for many years, and who have studied Buddhism, all the major 5 texts of Buddhism, and study Buddhism for many years, and still if that individual couldn't able to remove or purify all his 10 non-virtuous state, and couldn't able to practice the 10 virtuous state, such a person is not called as a real practitioner, because even he has learned for such many years, and he has studied Buddhism for like 10 subject or for main text of the Buddhism, and still if he couldn't able to purify his 10 non-virtuous state or able to practice the virtuous 10 virtuous state, he is not considered as a real practitioner. And opposite to that, a person individual who has only learned about the 10 non-virtuous state, who practices only opposite to this, a person who individual practice only the 10 virtuous state and not doing any 10 non-virtuous state, such a practitioner is called as a real practitioner. So as it is said by Nagarjuna in a friendly letter, it is said that if you actually design the high status as a human or deity and the liberation, you must familiarize yourself with the correct view. The wrong view, even with the wrong view, even a person who acts well will be terrible fluctuation in all the lives. So here Nagarjuna has mentioned that if a person want to desire for the higher status, like a person want to take a rebirth as a human, or take a rebirth or attain a liberation, or take a rebirth as a human or god or goddesses, if a person wants it, then he has to, or he wants to attain liberation, then he must practice the correct view. Here the correct view means the correct view of worldly person, not the correct view of the view of the unworldly person, but here it is mentioned of a correct view of worldly person. So what is the correct view of worldly person? Is a correct view, here is a concept about the karmas and action, the cause and effect, one concept, the karmas and action. So when you are talking about the practicing of correct view, karma and its effect, the karma and its effect shows that one should not do any non-virtuous deed or purified, or if he has done anything, purified it, and one should practice the 10 virtuous deed. So here it's like if an individual want to take birth in a human or next birth in a human or goddesses, or want to attain liberation, one should the main concept of one should have to do is one should practice the concept of karmas in action through not doing a non-virtuous deed and doing 10 virtuous deed. And this concept of karmas and its effect is known as a correct view of the worldly person. So with wrong view, if you don't practice any, if you don't do any virtuous deed, or if you go to the wrong view, or if you do any non-virtuous deed, that person that person, even he knows Buddhism, even he knows religion, but still he will not considered real practitioner, and he will have to suffer terrible fruition. So he will have to has to face the suffering. Hence, what has been explained as illustration, you should look at the mindfulness, excellent teaching, the sutras of wise and foolish, 100 action of sutras, and 100 Bodhisattva stories. So, the preference in the discipline and other scripture as well to develop intense and enduring certainty. So it is like here the concept. So you see that there's a mention of the certain text here. So when you are like the sutras of wise and foolish, the 100 actions of sutras. So here, when you are talking about these things, so here there are like so many things, illustrations. It is given that which is told that which also show that about the concept of the practicing of the karmas and virtuous deeds. Okay, so and here the sutras of wise and foolish is a one. Kishla has mentioned. So and there okay, so the main important here is the concept is main important here is showing that all these texts, it is like the main concept is one individual. These texts has shown that one individual have to have a true or real true from their heart or from their deep down, they has to have a belief on the concept of the karmas and actions, and concept of the virtuous deed, the concept of doing, if you perform any virtuous deed, you will get a good one. If you don't do any, if you perform a non-virtuous deed, then you will have to suffer, you have to go through the suffering. So these are the main, you have to believe, or you have to trust on you have to believe from your heart, about from your deep inside, that the concept of the karmas in action. Now get a so
Tatini sache neba sambate shibi tse der. Tangaran tsu tanda ge le junre ge naja ge 토리아 로장용데 네 삼바데야 체닌 상황지 시기 체 가르치려서는 한 제된데 되네 쇼마미바 열라스 제때 심이 되네 시전장이 과장도 좋아서 따따다 말아 저 첸데게 샤와 가르도때 니고 리비티리 가르스 첸데 총자거나 첸데게 레카 가레 제거나 텔레야파 생게 띵이야지 다시 생게 띵이야 상니 코네 제거레스 첸 심이게 되도 다 타다 탄칭비 첸비게 되도 겨드르세데 시장치 대대지 집에 제거르세 쇼쇼쇼지 지게 제선다 고아장지 마도 생게 띵이야 룡아 예송고 통de 조아숑이 통이 요 말에서 다 대과서 따다 발로는 체 심이게 되 어다 되도데 힘고 루비티니야 룡아 예송고 통은 바 지네 추두투케 첸델이야 샤라지 초아메케 첸디 샤와텔이야 데르가 가얀다 조아 메바 다 데르지 차송바이나 데니 건데 아다 레전드게 아니 삼바 아다 체니 장지 셰레 소로테레 제텐데 샤조 장도 손에서 체시마데 조체 첸데기 샤와데 샤조 장도 손나 아니 건데게 나타 가르사 렌제게 남자게 상네 체니 장도 셰레스 에저 땜바시게 텐데 상네 샤바 장 대자요마 땜파 땜부치는 존존무투게 상네 바 땜부주소 그래서 에저 땜바시게 대쇼니 잠베 대장와샤 텐데지 양자 상타 양자 무티 아니 단다게 레전드게 돌아선 동그래서 어타티리 어때지 내가 샤워스 어타티지 주이나 통통지 사치지
Okay, that's not paper shower. Okay, now we come in the second section. The second section is okay, just like that. The last. Okay.
내가 삼바치
Now, so now we come with the second section is attitude of person of small capacity. So here is so there are two sections: the measure of attitude of person of small capacity and clearing up the misconception concerning the attitude of person of small capacity. So in the first section, the measure of the attitude of person of small capacity. So here it is like the concept as Akishla already mentioned that from the deep down from the deep inside we always have to think about the concept of the cause and effect, the karmas and its effect of the concept of virtuous and 10 virtuous state and about concept of non. We always have to from deep inside we have to feel a firm assertion or firm belief on these things, firm belief on the karmas and its effect. So here so some of the people normal like people these days the people what they do is they concern the current life, this life, they consider giving too much importance to this life. Some people volty human beings, they give too much importance to this life, and then they from the deep inside they do everything from the firm affirmation or firm belief towards the giving importance to this life, giving importance to this life, and they do every activity or every action regarding just to give a benefits towards this life. But they doesn't the people doesn't think about the next life, or they don't think about the liberation, they don't think about enlightenment, or they from the deep inside they don't think about it. Even they say from their mouth, they say verbally, but they never think from deep inside. Instead, they think about the current life or present life, what they were, the present life, whether they what benefits they are getting. They just think about it. But these things we have to do this concept, such a thought should be reversed, done through reverse, and the person should concern more about the next life. They should have concern more about next life, and any activity when a person do, they have to for the next life. So here it means that previously you have had an uncontrived interest in this life, while your interest in future life will merely be an understanding that follows what others say. So Yes, and like earlier, the people like do like normal like people think like this life is more important, and they just give interest only to this life, and then future life they mainly understand or they verbally say, but they doesn't never do any activities for their future life. You have generated an attitude of the person of small capacity when these interests change. But however, if you reverse it, and if you concern towards the future life, if you just give from deep inside, you give a faith and exhortation to a future life, and you work for the future life from deep inside. You work for the future life instead of this life. You just don't give that much thought on this life, and and give more focus to the future life. Then the person is carrying the generating the attitude of the person of small capacity, because he is giving more preference to the future life, and he is giving deep faith towards the future life, and all the action he is doing for the future life. So such a person is generating the attitude of the person of small capacity. So when the interest change places, and your interest in the future have become paramount, while your interest of this life has become merely incidental. So you just this life is not that you don't the actions you like, you don't carry the goal or aim of only benefit of this life, but carrying the main goal or aim towards future life. Then you are carrying the person of the small capacity, attitude of the person of small capacity. So however, you must make this attitude stable, and thus once it is has occurred, cultivate intelligently. So when you are talking about the future life, so what is the main concept is regarding about karmas and action. If you Because to get a good future life, you have to practice on this. So if you concern main regarding giving the paramount about the interest, your interest in the future instead of this life, then you are doing the you have to practice about karmas in action, or practice of virtuous state, then which this show that you are doing the real or genuine practice about the karmas in action. You are doing a genuine or real practice towards the karmas in action, or towards the virtuous states, and removing non-virtuous state. So but such attitude, when you carry such attitude over the doing everything for the future life, or doing everything for the good or benefit of the future life, then such an attitude, it shouldn't be a temporary, but you have to carry from deep inside, and which should be stable one, not like it will be flexible, but should be a stable one. And once it occurs in you, you always have to practice on this. You have to continuously practice or cultivate it diligently, instead of doing it for some days and just remove it. You have to continue it diligently. Now gila saso.
Oh yeah. 다 되네 다 손바 tel라 로또 세와 세들 다 로또 세난다 도파 세난다 어때 도파 되면 봐서 인송을 제송가 받지 다 도파 간지 사요를 사나 다 나라 주 송로네야 상제기 송 KPG 송로 대설이야 거의 평소 당체라 이시 쇼그바 송베스 대투기시바 같이스 다 코아 차총래야 네번 정도로서 코아래 가연체요 뭐 거기 평소 다 가이 쳇다 통이 로번네세 송야 라마초바 가이 쳇다 통이 로번네세 이도 코알이야 야말로 송여라 근데 얘데 코이게 다지 가 대시 간데 요바이 때 힘부 요마레 세테 송도와스 대인바 인상 아니 지 르표송 초바 롱슈 표송 초바 아니 지다 네메 표송 초바 사 표송 초바 어 된데게 르롱슈 내면 따져봐 표소 소비게 소바때서 당체네 모토리 있어 모토세도 코아 소비 모토데 코아리 해서 대서 코아 임베 텔레아니 지모토 하다미 코파 돈도 니가 그래서 공소소 따팀 지기 맞던데 니가 요 말이스 텔라 데니시와 미레 테 돈도 니가 상내도 콘는 지기 말이스 또 도바사 때 가르선 때 방샤라 때파 도고지레 샤세나 다 텔레야 지송가 버저 도바 텐데 사바이나 도바 텔레야 니 갈레 가르자오서 돈도 니야자서 다 돈도 니야자래야 니 요레서 나로스 소소를 냐와 코아텔레 니코스 냐와 코아지 타토르야 냐와 코아지 니코 니 요레서 돈도 니야자니 니콜레야 소소를 냐와 코아케지 타토 돈도 니야자지 니 yes koyi lü la soba pyoso soba nes ni koyi dübege lü pyoso soba ani ne pyoso soba ko pyoso soba lonje pyoso soba ne me pyoso soba ne kan pyoso soba da teso Nicoleo. Puso soba ne draw deni chicha neko so good to ne good is neko naran so tapa tanje chaba to ne kele te good is neko chi kare se na lopo puso soba ju gura dewa je jopa chi sang lu den go da te lu puso soba ra kon le ya nam hi ye te je den se here nam hi je se de puso soba re do o ta tende ge lu den de ata mata ba ina lu de le ma tu ba ina taba du tu ma tanje chamba du tu ma tende rimba jubale 당연히 토바샤 이미서 텐데 류테 코에 디비게 류테 잠보치 람테 단달람 테이토 겨와두 텐데 체네 류테 잠보 테림바야 주네네 아바다 당시 참바 토고레 소데 류당 롱셔다 코표소 조병어도 강이다 거의 디바마이 아니 류 시당네 류표소 조바 롱셔 표소 조바 아니 코표소 조바 텐데게 요체 당시 거의 디베 차바요 마서 거의 디바 인고 말레스 벨레나 류 표성 초바데 상제 레요레스 세종부 손제자니 베제 제초게 덴비게 류 표성 초바 타 도바 고나메바 라나메바 상제 레요레스 다 나긴 류라서 표성 타신바니 주치고도 상제게 구주레스 다 나긴 게다 롱쇼 표성 초바데 상제 레요스 다비기 신강 레야다 다 롱쇼 표성 초바라 네 표성 초바스 신강데 다비신 벨레나 가데 유가춘지 지수 도지 년조 미기 신강 카슈 미 신강 공보 옆바 메기 신강 다와진 신강 상제 미투비 신강 메슈비 신강 어떤 때는 신강 빼먹어도 때서 답이 신강 때서 탐제 어다 내 표소 초바레스 다 대이 노게다 유제 표소 초바야레스 어때래 대타주 거의 뒤바 말에 동해 담바 말에서 거의 뒤바 말에 류라 소바 표소 소바 타시바 주주고다 디 hin게 조바당 디 코나 임비시로서 어때래 근데 인상 아니 표소 소바 인소나 코피 류롱시 표소 소바 이나 거의 뒤바 인고 말에서 되지 대답을 고네 자와 상반 그 너디 제야 롱시당 롱시 당리 표소 소바 당 코종 표소 소바 뭐도 당 세테소가레스 류 표소 소바 롱시 표소 소바 코 표소 소바 어다 뭐도 당 세테리 표소 소바 때레 뭐도 세게레스 제 파시 담보게 뭐도 루바소 예서 파시 담보세 짐바 동용도 롱시 표소 소반도 추진 소발라 때네 류 표소 소바 더 가서 추진 야부소나 라유류 미류 표소 소바 라워 짐바 담바이나 소소레 주펜주 표소 소바 용을 어데르 때네 짐바 추진 조바 야부 공바이나 코 표소 소바 용을 어데르 아니 상태 공바이나 아니 레카 가레나 때 쫀쫀주 좀발에 표소 소바 용을 짐바 추진 조바 어쫀주 샤 가레나 좀 투켄 루 투켄 된차 파시 담보 인것도 주바 송시 좀 마버니 대다게 조건 주바 송비시 다 짐바 추추 조바 준비 나네 야바 제바이나 상제 사기니 조건 주소요레스 대나 나체 주바 나체네서 당할 최고 토자 타토데 나체라 나체 된도 네켄게 강사 나체 랑줄이야 주반도 톤도 랑줄의 현대비 강사 대체네 전혀 추천 송고레스 짐바당 고레 조바소 체 마오힌스 조바 몽보 추천 하장게 바 아니 히차부수 소다 되데수 아니 짐바양 하장게 치 당고레스 다 류게 토니 생게 토니 나게 토니 이게 토니 어다 짐바당 거스 체 마오히 표도 shum아나 뒤 림부 두가 대아니 짐바 추저 조바 대소 아니 제 뒤서 림부를 봤던 거레스 림부 주베나 대다게 저버 텔레야 류라수비 뭐토야 체표도 슝아 된도 되와 예노서다 저버때야 뭐토야 뭐토 야다다 만다와 바 표소 초바 렌다다 저와 류 렌다다 저와 주변조 렌다다 저와 어다데 네 렌다다 저와 때문에 이거 추주비 튼전 정조자 추주비 튼전 많이 받제네 다 메시아사다 멜리아 오여케사 때문에 표소 초와 차나 다 되고 아니 다 쳐서 요마다 대양 시아자마 년송도 주주 차려라 대마이 추주비게 때 차바체도 추주비게 튼전 표소 초바서 되고 내가 이노서 어다 대파도 지주나
Nasogila. Okay, so okay, now we come with the second one, which is clearing up the misconception concerning the attitude of a person of small capacity. So here, Lama Tsongkhapa has discussed about the concept of the misconception clearing, the clearing of the misconception. So what the misconception arises is that in the scripture, it is said that you must turn your mind away from all the excellent things of cyclic existence. Someone could misinterpret this and think that it is improper to develop an interest in high status as a human or deity in which body resources or and the likes are and the likes are excellent because it is within the cyclic existence. So the misconception here is like some of the individual may think that it is written in scriptures that you have to turn away your mind from the excellent things of cyclic existence. So the individual started to renunciate all the misinterpreted by thinking that it is improper to develop any interest towards the high status, or it is improper to develop any interest towards the excellence in the bodies of the high status or resources or the places where the high status live, such as excellent. The people they stop develop interest on this and started to ignore or started to not to give interest on these things because they think it is just a because the people may think that these are the cyclic existence. These are just a cyclic existence. That's why they shouldn't develop such a concept, or they shouldn't develop such a thought on these things. So some people they think about such a misconception just do arise. So gila lamu chapa gaji kawet se ta thamche lani gila chungsa
Gai tseta tongi lopang ne sir.
hong lo pa ne lara oni thoda khan kare thanda ti
Gai ta ngara tsoge jitengi ta chi jupe so tsoba ne pe so tsoba tangche de gai ge tseta tonga yo ma gai tsesa changchang rosa ge meto ge dongra yo se tendre di lo de pa pa ne ta tele henba lo gure so.
So it is said that because the misconception are also in, like when you are saying, when you read the Guru Puja, when you are saying Guru Puja, it is also like one should not to develop any interest on the any excellency of which make you distracted, which made one individual distracted. So one should not give an interest on these things. So it is also mentioned like in the Guru Puja. So that's why some of the scriptures has mentioned that one should turn away their minds or interest towards the excellent things of cyclic existence. So the people may think due to this such scriptures, they may have a misconception that they should not give any interest or develop interest on these excellent things. So they may because they think that these are the cyclic existence, that one shouldn't develop such things. So Lama Tsongkhapa has cleared this misconception by giving a response that though there are two types of the objects of interest. So there are like normally two kinds of the object of interest: those which you diligently seek temporarily, and those which you diligently seek ultimately. So there are two types, which is one is for the temporary you can seek for, and then there are one which is for your ultimate. So the concept of this, like excellent things higher ripple, in which there's excellence of the bodies, excellence of the resources, are the temporary things which which you can seek, and but these are not the ultimate one. So okay, so when you are talking about this, these are not the ultimate one. So even a person who strive for liberation must diligently, but temporarily must diligently but temporarily seek excellent bodies in the cyclic existence, for they will ultimately attain the certain goodness or succession in the lives of high status. So he has mentioned that even though they are cyclic existence, these are excellence are cyclic existence, but these are for the temporary. This even a person should strive for this for their liberation. If you want to attain a liberation, if you want to attain an enlightenment, then one should have a excellent body, or one should have excellent resources, or one should have an excellent body and resources, so that there will be no hinders, or him or the individual won't face any problems or attaining liberation through the physically, or for the monetary, or for physically monetary, or for their food or anything. So that's why for the temporarily one can seek the diligently or temporarily seeks for the excellent bodies in the cyclic existence. So when you are talking about excellent body, what are the excellent bodies? Excellent body is concept about the body of the human in a leisure and a fortune. There are like 8 leisures and 10 fortunate, 10 fortune. So such a body is an excellent body. And in terms also we have the Gisela, I've already given a teaching class on the about the concept of fruitations, about the fruitation result. Fruitation, there are like 8 characteristics of the fruitation, which is already given in the classes. So these are the concept of the person who having an excellent body. So these are the temporary you can seek for the because it helps or it assists you to attaining a liberation. That's why you have to seek, and for they will ultimately attain certain goodness or succession of lives in a high status. For they will so these you have to see. So here when you are talking about these things, so when you are talking like further not everything within a high state, excellent body, resources, attendance is included within a cyclic existence. They are like some of the form, like not everything is considered as a cyclic existence. When even the excellent bodies or as resources attendance doesn't not all the high status, because here it is say like to born in the high status. So not all the high status is considered as a cyclic considered included in a cyclic existence, such as the high status of a pure land. The pure land is like the most excellent body in the Buddha. Okay, gila takshim bi dira gila koa re lai re gila mara.
말이라고.
Okay, such as pure land, such as a concept of pure land. Pure land is not in the cyclic existence. So there are different varieties of types of pure land. The pure land of Vajra Yogini, the pure land of Gandhin pure land is there, and then the pure land of Amitabha is there, and the pure land of Ashokabhaya, Buddha Ashokabhaya. So there are different types of pure land. So the pure land are high status, but it's not included in a cyclic existence. And then there are some of the high status, such as excellent bodies, such as the bodies of the Buddha, bodies as a Buddha, the form, which is a high state, excellent body, but it is not considered as a cyclic existence. And the most excellent resources are the richest from the embodiment realms, and the most excellent attendance the embodied retune. So these are in the pure lands, or the land where the Buddhas are there. These are considered as a high status of excellent bodies, excellent resources, attendance, but they are not considered as a cyclic existence. So here it is said that intending this, Maitreya said in the ornament of Mahayana Sutra that you achieve the high status as a human or deity by means of the first 4 perfection: excellent resources, body, and excellent retune, and high status. So one can attain the high status through the 4 perfection. If you practice the 4 perfection, first 4 perfections, then you can able to attain the excellent resources, body, and excellent retune, which are the high status. So when you are talking about the 4 perfection, they are like professional ethical discipline, generosity, patience, and the exceptional ethical discipline, generosity, and patience. So these are the things you can practice. So the first 4 perfections you can do among the 6 perfections. Kila parjin 당보시 비송 right kila
这
당보시
是신바 주제 소바 주제 상태.
jimba dim sopa sundura shiti.
어디시?
So when you are talking about first 4 profession is a professional discipline, professional generosity, professional patience, and jimba sundura sopa sundura, and profession of the hard work you can say. So when you practice this for first profession, then you can able to help in setting the high status. So again, it is said in many texts that you achieve the Buddha's embodiment as a form by means of the first profession. So you can able to help this first profession will help able to help you in attaining the high status. Therefore, those who achieve the omniscience accomplish a great amount of exceptional ethical discipline, generosity, patience, and the like for a long time. Consequently, they diligently see the effect of these as well, exceptionally high status with its body and so forth. So, so when you are saying about this, so okay, so when you are like to attain attain the enlightenment. So when you are to attain the enlightenment, when you want to attain the enlightenment, then the concept of this quite let me to go just this. Okay, so like here it is mentioned that therefore if you want to accumulate or attain the omniscience amount, then there is a need to practice of these for perfection, and consequently they diligently seek the effect of this. And then if you continuously practice of these things, then you will see effect of this thing. So when you are talking about these things, then ethical practice, ethical discipline, generosity, patience, and effort for the long time. This, when you are talking ethical discipline means you have to practice the ethical discipline for a long time, not like for temporary. Even the ethical discipline and all this should be practiced continuously and for the long time if you want to accomplish, attain omniscience, or if you want to achieve omniscience. And so you have to practice it. So when ethical discipline, it is concerned that even it comes to sacrifice your life. If a person is at the breach of have to give their life, they shouldn't sacrifice their ethical discipline. They will always, even at the end of their life, they will always carry their ethical discipline. So when you if you continuously practice this for profession, continuously they diligently seek effect, then you will attain the effect of this thing, exceptional high status of its body and so forth. So one will attain the high status, and then one will also attain the excellence of body, excellence of excellence of the resources, and excellence of return. So if you practice the first for perfection, now get a sasum.
Kama katendo. Dan dema tsachu genda.
Kama to. Yes.
Tatu ngele drupa nesa. Ta neko ngoto matsa. Tatu ngele drupa tele ya shunju le. Me trola tene ne dunga chowa chile tues. Kare sungu yasena. Ngarao tsu mili lamba la tene. Ane dunga ge jatso le ya. Pa tawa jene ne tangche chimbi koba togo re. Se te sungu wari. He sumba ta. Me tsumbi is. Dendri tela tene, setsu gyawa tam, nanchen ton drogula as. Teya tset toma jugubi chesa, ta nga tso, ta mei gyu lu lang, la yu lu lang, tendre chene sepa koi gyu tso de pa gene, nanchen togure se, tendre sonza shewa chi ma yinba, ni ma yinba, mamu chugure se. Te tabi ki milu tang, la lu te so, 타발라 류테데 druji chu tamba ni tsutin ni langji tsawa yin so ta meli lambi halu lambi gi ju tsawa ya na manda tsutin ri so tsutin ni langji tsawa ta nga tsutin ju ngo tu ju ni tsutin le ge me se peda da ta so ho tere tenri lucha tseni also mazo bi yote shore wa ta de me la drucha sache chu yin yonzo ki gyulas ta dendro ge me da la yu lu lamba la ta meli lamba tsangi penge mares meli tseni tsang 다 남주 요바 다지 가르사 엄부 창체 창와 단 도드네 대화 진조바 쭉 표송소와 소ken지 마도 밀리람바 장진 저거 마스 덴리 사체 초는 용조히 그라 텔라니 게츠라스 비 허비게 용소 마조바소 메초베 덴리 게츠게 동발라 게네게 동바 덴리 허바 다 차송지 송고레스 Gyalon la subi hauge ronso zoba songa la mbege so, gyalon tu, gyalon ke tombi ke hauja chatong tenre song, getsu ke tomba chatong so, yana genen ke tomba lan genen ke tomba pi taba tsama yabu so, o tenre chene mege chu tetsu song gre songa. Kachi tsutrin songa ni dendra drubi she ina, tene nene je tobe, kala tenchu ye gyalon so chi jakesa, yan tere toba sa, kachi ke tsutrin songa te metan lage liu tobi chete ina, tene ne gene drona digin doas ane che gene drona kale shara yo maras sonja nyung ras ne kala tenchu yin se kale kabu yin ke tanda chambu chime ke gelong ke domba drona kale yo grise tene toba sa che ja ke sa wa ta yang kachi ge yada sota ge guba dra chombe she na gelong ne lo ne sho male pa to mero gene ji tela yo dra chomba toto yebe ane te de gene ya kure shas Kala tenchu yi gyalung ke cheja hem hawa nes. 상제기 땜비게 nen가도 한 먹고 다리에 손을 저렇게 되니게 느끼듯 상제기 땜비게 내 마시비 제제 전부 해봐셔라 상제기 땜비게 nen가 전에 한 먹고는 내가 저 아니 된다 저자 매게 거주 매게 개체해야지 대이마 학과 지셔서 동바 오마 때도 셔대서 동바 오마도 게네기도 봐 대이 고마 기축이 돈바 대이 고마 개롱도 돈바 저때 어마 땡체네 아니 고마 쏟라오네 아니 손자 탐체 손 더비게 용소 줘봐 송와라 아니 준주치 깔래자 송거래서 차송 송거래 차송 송바였나 배 하정거 전부 상지미 잡아 되는 용거래서 샤부 총어도 투마라지 림발라 라장와 히치도 사다 샤부 총어게 라리 초코데다 찬어래서 야 아니 되지
La Sodla. Okay. So now we come with the concept of the like achievement or final goal, the achievement of the final goal or a certain goodness, which is mentioned by the Arya Shanti Deva in his engaging in Bodhisattva days. It is said that relying on the boat of the human body, free yourself from the great river of suffering. So as Shanti Deva has said that you must rely on the life in a happy realms, exemplified in the verses by the human body and cross the ocean of existence, reaching the omniscient. So here Shanti Deva is mentioned in his verses. So one has to rely on the human. One has to rely on the human body, or one has to have to take a body of the human, so that the excellent body human body is considered of the human body with the fortunate and the leisure. So when you are taking it is for the when you take a human body, it is for the freeing yourself from the ocean of suffering or the realms of suffering, and to attain the omniscience. So Shantidevan mentioned that to attain the omniscience, one have to take a birth as a human body in a form of human body, just to remove from their suffering. So moreover, you may pass successively through many lifetimes, and consequently, ethical discipline is a preeminent cause of achieving a body in a happy realm, is the root of the path. So, when you are talking about it, like the attaining of omniscience is not only about taking a human body, but you have to you have to continuously work on it, and then you have to successfully for the not only for one life, but you have to do it for the you have to attain omniscience. You have to take a human body, and you have to work for the many lives, not only for the one life, but you have to work for the many lives. You have to many lives. You have to take a human body, or you have to work for the attaining of human omniscience. So when you are talking about the attaining of human body, or attaining of the higher status, higher realm, what is the happy realm or higher realm? What is the main important or ingredient? You can say main ingredient, or one of the main root to attain such is the attaining is through the ethical discipline. If an individual able to keep or practice his ethical discipline in a very well, continuously practice his ethical discipline, then this is a main cause or the root cause for the attaining the one should attain a higher happy realm, or you can say human or deity body. So human or a god or goddess's body, so you can able to attain it. So moreover, you need a body in a happy realm that is fully qualified, and even you have achieved the path, you will have a little progress with a body that is not completely qualified, or only possesses a good quality at some extent. So when you are talking about it, such a when even you born in a human happy realm, but such a happy realm, when you take a birth as a in the form of human body, what is such a human body shouldn't be like shouldn't be like just a human body. It should have it should be a fortunate and the leisure one, like 8 leisure. It should have a quality of 8 leisure and 10 fortunate. One should have such a qualification, so that if you so that you can able to practice to the path to the enlightenment. Or even if you have achieved the path, you will make a little progress. So however, if you don't able to have such a leisure and a fortunate body, human body, then it is very difficult for you to practice or complete to attain to the good qualities, or attain goes to the practice to the path to enlightenment. For this, it is not enough to partially observe the fundamental training of novice monks and light, you must strive to maintain fundamental trainings of monks, and so they in attending. For such a things, then it is not that for attaining such for attaining such a leisure and a fortunate one, and for striving for the omniscient, it is not enough to partially observe the fundamental training of the novice monks alike and the other pratimoksha vow, but one should have to strive for the maintain the fundamental trainings, and one should practice not only about the vows, they should also they should after practice, after accepting their novice monks vow, they should also practice about the non-virtuous, not to do and non-virtuous state, and practice the virtuous state. They should also do all the 10 virtuous state. They should also practice this, and they should such a thing they should need to continuously do it. Now there's a one misconception arise that some says that if maintaining ethical discipline is a purpose of achieving a rebirth in a happy dream, you can achieve even by the one day vow. So why become a monk? Why, which is a difficult life with a little purpose? Others say if this a purpose of vow of individual liberation is to become arhat, why become a monk at lead a life which is difficult and little purpose? Rather, we should value a life of lay practitioner. So you can also become a monk. You also become arhat in such life. Besides, you can become a monk until you reach the age of 20. So here it is a misconception that one misconception is that it is said that it is, as you has Lama Tsongkhap, as you have mentioned, that you can achieve the happy realm, you can achieve the highest status as a human body through the practicing, maintaining your ethical discipline. So if the purpose of maintaining ethical discipline and achieving rebirth and happy realm, why that ethical discipline can be anything, right? Ethical discipline can be one day vow also. So why do we have to become a monk? Why the individual has to become a monk? Because monk life is very difficult for one to practice, because there are so many vows, and it is with a little purpose, because such a purpose can be fulfilled by the practicing one day vow. You can take a birth in happy dream. And then another misconception it arises that if the purpose of the vow of an individual, if one individual want to attain arhathood or liberation, individual liberation, so if the purpose of the vow is attaining arhathood, why the person has to practice, become a monk, and why one individual has to practice, become a monk and lead such a difficult life, practicing so many vows, as a lay practitioner, having a lay practitioner pratimoksha vow, then one can lay vow, can able to attain a arhathood. So why one have to become a monk? Because to become a monk, you have to reach till age to novice, fully ordained monk. You have to reach till 20 and all this. Why you have to go through such a difficulty when even a lay practitioner with a full lay pratimoksha vow, lay vow, can achieve a arhathood? So these two some misconception arise, and in the response it is mentioned that understand this claim to be a great nonsense for the person who does not understand the key points of teaching. So such a person, when he says such thing, then this such a person doesn't understand the key points of the Buddha's teaching. He doesn't know, he doesn't he doesn't understand the real teaching of Buddha. Rather strive to maintain fundamental training completely, gradually assuming the higher use while using the lower ones as well. So it is said that to complete your fundamental training, to complete your fundamental training, or to complete to come so it is said that to complete your fundamental training, to all the fundamental training, important training. So if you want to complete all your fundamental training, it is these vows, these are like lay vows, lay people vows, then fully ordained vows, and fully ordained monks and nuns vows, lay male and female vows, all like the lower vows are a basis for the upper vows. So the to upper vows, to complete all the things, you need all like upper vows and higher vows. So to attain such a higher vows, these lower vows, like low vows or one day vows, or the like lay people vows, they are considered the support, so that gradually you will attain the higher vows, like the vows of the monks or nuns, fully ordained monks. So these are just as a support to attain a higher vow, so that you can able to complete, you can able to strive to maintain fully fundamental training. You can complete all your fundamental training, to complete all this training, and to attain the enlightenment infinite and omniscient. So for that, to attain a higher vows, so these lower vows are just a support, just a basis of this. So this concludes the explanation or training of mind in the stage of path that are shared with a person of small capacity. So through this, we are Kishla is concluding the section of the person of small capacity. Now, Gila Saso,
Oh yeah, that's all.
last tuche. So we will just stop here. It is already time is crossed.
Okay, now we actually
Mm.
pray the prayers after
Gishla need to
teaching.
go first or not? If Gishla needs to go, you could go first.
Gila kisi penangila patient digire sungskuranzoya kuranzodan. Okay, you can do the dedication prayer, and after this, Kishla can leave. Kishla said repetition. Okay.
This ground is anointed with perfumes, strewn with flowers, Mount Meru, the four continents, sun and moon. Visualizing as a Buddha feel, I first that all beings may enjoy this pure right. Idang Guru Ratna Mandala Kaniraya Dayami. In the snowy mountain paradise, you are the source of good and happiness. Powerful Tenzin Gyatso Chinrezi. May you stay until Sarah and praying for our teachers perfect. Praying for our teacher Issues life, praying that their books will grow and spread. Bless me never to part from them. Due to this merit, may I soon attain the enlightened state of Guru Buddha, so that I may able to bring all beings to this very enlightened state. May the precious Bodhi mind not yet born arise and grow. May that bond have no decline, by increase forever. Just a blessed Buddha surpassed and dedicated. Just a blessed Buddha presently existing is dedicating. Just a blessed Buddha of the future will dedicate. Also humbly learn, follow, and dedicate likewise. In region the supreme precious Dharma has not spread, or it has spread but then declined. May illumine the treasure of happiness and benefit, with a mind deeply moved by great compassion. May anyone merely see, hear, remember, touches, or talks to me be free in that very instant from all suffering and abide in happiness forever. For as long as space endures, for as long living beings remain, until then may I too abide to dispel the misery of the world. May I be a protector for those without one, a guide for all travelers on the way. May I be a bridge, a bow, and a shield for all who wish to cross the waters. O venerable, compassionate Guru, we seek a blessing that all coming, that obstacle and suffering and mother sentient being, may without exception ripen upon us. May I give our happiness and virtue to others, and thereby invest all beings in bliss. Okay, finish. Yeah.
Gila Chanaso, Gila.
Yeah, ne. Lasso, da ye, lunga yozong se du song so che, che some kyozong che bi so. Lo ye la ne lama ye dan kyoncho song la be, to jang ge ye ne da la xin ya lo. Ya dang go ra na me de. Ne ya da ya me, te na ji se la ma tu je che, ma jo jo yi de de dong ma le da la mi ba da gi de ge ya la. Ro ge de da ba xin ya la, te na ji se la ma tu je che, ma jo jo yi de de dong. Ma le da la mi ba da gi de ge ya la. Roge deda deba shinjala, deda jetsa lama tuyi, majonjo ye diri dunga, kamali dada dala, dagi dege yala tama, roge deda deba shinjala, pama senje tangje deda deni, nyenro tangje dada dunga, shangshu senpa kanda sujuwa, deda geche meno, rojo chi dagi jene sabi gyawande, denan gowa gyuna kam, chaba jetsa lozon chaba, tenbi nyambo rendo seje sho, tenpa lana mebi, tenpa tanjiwa nera, lami chi, gyawande antoa mali, hine namban zimbi juro, wala so ya, apanwa.
Bye-bye. Tuche.
Bye. Thank you, Menkila. Bye-bye. See you all. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Baba,
Bye, Gishla.
oh yeah,
Bye-bye.
lasso,
Yeah, Gila
oh yeah.
Pena.
Okay, bye, Menkila. Bye, everybody. Amitofo.